And now Madhya Pradesh Industries and Commerce Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya has courted controversy with his outrageous comments. Let's go across to Navika Kumar for more on this story.
Well, it's a huge embarrassment as far as the BJP is concerned. The Industries Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Kailash Vijayvargiya, has made a statement that clearly has left the BJP completely red-faced. The minister has said that women should not cross their line, and every time they've crossed the line, they have been punished. Giving the example also of Sita, that is the statement coming from the Madhya Pradesh minister, and that has put the BJP completely on the back foot.
मेरा यही कहना है कि जहाँ जहाँ मर्यादाएं टूट रही है वहाँ इस प्रकार की विकृति आएगी। आप टीवी में परिवार के साथ बैठकर विज्ञापन भी नहीं देख सकते। जब इस प्रकार के विज्ञापन आएंगे तो स्वाभाविक है कि विकृति को आप रोकेंगे नहीं। म्यूजिक कैसा बज रहा है, गाने कैसे चल रहे हैं, इन सब के ऊपर समग्र रूप से विचार करके समाज में आ रही विकृति अगर रोकी जा सकती है तो सिर्फ हमारे बीच में से ही चिंतन करके और कुछ मर्यादाओं का हमें पालन करना होगा, तो शायद इस प्रकार की विकृति कम हो जाए। एक ही शब्द है, सिर्फ मर्यादा। मर्यादा का उल्लंघन होता है तो सीता हरण हो जाता है। जब लक्ष्मण रेखा हर व्यक्ति की खींची हुई है, उस लक्ष्मण रेखा को कोई भी पार करेगा तो रावण सामने बैठा है तो सीता हरण करके ले जाएगा। भारतीय समाज की विशेषता ही यही है कि वो मर्यादा में रहे। दुनिया के देशों से अलग यदि हमारा देश दिखता है तो उसका मूल कारण यही है कि हमारे ऋषि मनीषियों ने हमें मर्यादा का पाठ पढ़ाया। वो मर्यादा का पाठ हम शायद भूल रहे हैं, इसलिए मर्यादा टूटती है तो इस प्रकार की विकृति आती है।
देखिए, जिस तरीके से कैलाश विजयवर्गीय का बयान आया कि महिलाओं को मर्यादा में रहना चाहिए, सीता माता तो मर्यादा में थी और उस समय एक साधु के रूप में आया आदमी और उसने उनको वहां से उनका सीता हरण कर लिया। तो मर्यादा की बात कैलाश विजयवर्गीय को महिलाओं को नहीं सिखानी चाहिए, बल्कि आरएसएस के लोगों को सिखानी चाहिए जो शादी नहीं करते हैं और इसके बाद ऐसी घटनाओं को अंजाम देते हैं। चाहे मध्य प्रदेश देखो, चाहे देश के दूसरे हिस्से में देखो, सबसे ज्यादा भारतीय जनता पार्टी से संबंधित युवा मोर्चा, विद्यार्थी परिषद और आरएसएस के लोग इस तरीके की घटनाएं को अंजाम देते हैं। यही कारण है कि पूरे देश के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा बलात्कार मध्य प्रदेश में हो।
जहां तक लक्ष्मण रेखा की बात है, मैं उनसे कहना चाहूंगी कि अब वो 21वीं सदी में प्रवेश करने का प्रयास करें, क्योंकि राजनीति में हैं, कौन से जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं, कब लक्ष्मण रेखा थी। और आज भी अगर हम लड़कियों के दिमाग में ये भरेंगे कि तुम लड़की हो, ये तुम्हारा अधिकार नहीं है, तो ये जमाना, ये वक्त अब नहीं है। उनको उस दकियानूसी जो उनकी मानसिकता है उससे बाहर आना चाहिए। और
Joining us on the phone line is Ranjana Kumari. She is a very well-known social activist. How do you see this new comment that has been made by the Madhya Pradesh Industries Minister, where he has said women get into trouble only when they cross their limits, and it happened to Sita as well. How do you see this latest comment by a minister in the Madhya Pradesh government?
Well, it is really surprising and very shameful that every time all these people are coming up with the Lakshman Rekha for women, every time the patriarchal society has drawn boundaries for women, and they in some sense justifying the men for their behavior. They don't look at what men and boys are doing in society and what kind of Lakshman Rekha should be for them, not to become rapists, not to become aggressor, not to become, the perpetrators of crime. So I think it's time that, they must look at the way society is moving and not, impose strange feudal ideas on women. Women today are not ready to accept all these kind of unnecessary comments, and also very, very patriarchal comments in nature, very sexist comment in fact in nature, because all kinds of Lakshman Rekha is for women. What is he trying to say? That, every time when some women are wrong, it is women who cross the Lakshman Rekha, or it is the men who, cross their Lakshman Rekha, that, the way they behave with women. It's absolutely unacceptable and
Ms. Ranjana Kumari, this is also about a mindset. This is also about a mindset, and given the fact that we have a minister in a progressive state like Madhya Pradesh making this statement, are we completely let down by our lawmakers belonging to any political party when they have a mindset like this?
Well, not only that this mindset is what reflects in the kind of society we are living in, but also this mindset of the people who are supposed to be representing us, who are supposed to be taking society and to a further level to change society. Instead of that, they reflect a mindset where they want to keep women and an oppression of women. They want to continue exploitation of women. They want to. So certainly, this is a mindset. I think it's extremely important that the political parties should start gender sensitization of their rank and file, and also their own people who they give ticket to become representatives, and finally make them ministers. This is really shocking how every day we hear something like this coming from one or the other party and one or the other politician. This is totally unacceptable to us, and women are not going to accept these kind of nonsensical statements.
Do you think the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh should take any action against his Minister Kailash Vijay Vargiya, who's made this statement that women should not cross their limits?
Well, he is answerable to women of the nation, and so should the Chief Minister ask for him to answer what kind of a social mindset is he reflecting, what kind of a ideology is he following. Is he, so this is definitely he's answerable, and not only he's answerable, he should apologize to women, and also the Chief Minister should ask him for explanation, and such people should not be included into the cabinets of different states because cabinet ministers are responsible not only for their own state, their policies, but also they're responsible for women of the state for whom they will make laws and policies and ensure that laws and policies are implemented. So if this is the mindset, and this definitely is that women are the ones who are making the mistakes. Women are the ones who are responsible for getting raped. Women are the ones who are responsible for getting sexually harassed, and all sexual offences happen to women because they cross the Lakshman Rekha. And who are these people to decide about the Lakshman Rekha? And what is the Lakshman Rekha for today? I mean, this is really mindless, I would say. So certainly he is answerable and he should apologize.
Thank you very much for joining us. That was Ranjana Kumari clearly expressing outrage over the statement made by Kailash Vijay Vargiya, a statement made by a minister in the Madhya Pradesh cabinet. Let's just listen into that controversial comment made by Kailash Vijay Vargiya.
मेरा यही कहना है कि जहाँ जहाँ मर्यादाएं टूट रही है वहाँ इस प्रकार की विकृति आएगी। आप टीवी में परिवार के साथ बैठकर विज्ञापन भी नहीं देख सकते। जब इस प्रकार के विज्ञापन आएंगे तो स्वाभाविक है कि विकृति को आप रोकेंगे नहीं। म्यूजिक कैसा बज रहा है, गाने कैसे चल रहे हैं, इन सब के ऊपर समग्र रूप से विचार करके समाज में आ रही विकृति अगर रोकी जा सकती है तो सिर्फ हमारे बीच में से ही चिंतन करके और कुछ मर्यादाओं का हमें पालन करना होगा, तो शायद इस प्रकार की विकृति कम हो जाए। एक ही शब्द है सिर्फ, मर्यादा। मर्यादा का उल्लंघन होता है तो सीता हरण हो जाता है। जब लक्ष्मण रेखा हर व्यक्ति की खींची हुई है, उस लक्ष्मण रेखा को कोई भी पार करेगा तो रावण सामने बैठा तो सीता हरण करके ले जाएगा।
The minister has now issued a clarification, but clearly many are saying this reaction coming in extremely late when women have already expressed outrage over his statement, exposing a deep mindset in one of the most progressive states of central India.
भारतीय समाज की विशेषता ही यही है कि वो मर्यादा में रहे। दुनिया के देशों से अलग यदि हमारा देश दिखता है तो उसका मूल कारण यही है कि हमारे ऋषि मनीषियों ने हमें मर्यादा का पाठ पढ़ाया। वो मर्यादा का पाठ हम शायद भूल रहे हैं, इसलिए मर्यादा टूटती है तो इस प्रकार की विकृति आती है।
Well, Tavreen is joining us from New Delhi and also Ashutosh from Bhopal. Ashutosh, just to focus a bit on what Kailash Vijay Vargiya's so-called explanation was, he basically repeated himself. There was no kind of apology or remorse in that so-called explanation.
So actually there is no question of explanation right here, because Kailash, what exactly the Kailash Vijaywargiya has spoken at the time when the media person has actually asked him to clarify what he's actually already stated at the time of the school ceremony, he completely was quite sure on his statement. He completely said that women must set their moral limits, as otherwise they would be punished, as what we have seen in the era of Ramayana also, when Sita crossed the limits and she was being punished by the Ravana. So he was quite sure on his statement, so there is no question of further clarification from his side, and because he was actually repeating what he has already spoken at the time of school ceremony, when before the media person actually asked him the question about his statement, his irresponsive statement.
All right, stay with us. The other big controversy, of course, questions being raised over RSS Supremo Mohan Bhagwat's comment over Western lifestyles of people in urban areas. During his 4-day visit to Silchar, Bhagwat said such crimes hardly take place in Bharat, but they occur frequently in India.